Hey everyone, so today I'm showing you how to add YouTube links to your Instagram stories on Android. If you want to share a YouTube video with your followers, this is super easy. Let's get started. All right, first thing, open the YouTube app on your Android phone. Find the video you want to share. You can search for it or browse your feed. Now, tap on the video to open it. Then tap the share button below the video. It looks like an arrow. A menu will pop up with sharing options. Tap copy link to copy the YouTube link to your clipboard. Okay, now close YouTube and open Instagram. On your Instagram home screen, tap your profile picture at the top left corner or swipe right to create a new story. Here's the thing, you need to add a background for your story first. You can take a photo, upload one from your gallery, or just use a solid color background. Tap the gallery icon at the bottom left corner to choose a photo, or tap the circle button to take a new one. Once you have your background, look at the right side of the screen. You'll see a sticker icon. It looks like a smiley face. Tap on that. Now, scroll through the sticker options and tap Link. This opens a box where you can paste your YouTube link. Long press in the text field and tap Paste to add your YouTube link you copied earlier. Then, you can customize the sticker text below. Tap on Customize Sticker Text. Type something like, check out the video or watch here. Tap Done to add the link sticker to your story. And once you're happy with it, tap Your Story at the bottom to post it. And that's it. Your Instagram story now has a clickable YouTube link. If this helped you out, let me know in the comments below.